Hi everyone, continuing with my series of poorly edited, poorly shot, poorly lit, and poorly narrated videos. I have a couple of proof of life models. These are basically a couple of Kato RDCs that I installed ESU LokSound V5 micro decoders in. They're both pretty much identical, so I'm not going to shoot both of them. But figured I'd just go over this quickly. This is a Kato RDC 1, 2, or 3. I'm not sure which. I'm sure somebody will comment on that. It's not the 4, the 4 shorter. Basically what I did was I tapped into the motor there and the contacts there, modified your light boards on both ends. They're both identical, and tapped in so that you have forward headlight, then your rear marker light would be on, your rear headlight, and then your forward marker light would be on. So basically reverse when you switch directions. It's got a 11 by 17 sugar cube, V5 micro. Not much to it other than that. ESU has a RDC sound file, so I just loaded that, and then I did some tweaking of the lighting effects on it. But without further ado, we're just going to hit. And there you go. These are both Kato RDC2's according to the box that have had ESU LokSound V5 microdecoders installed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.